No. 1. Faceless AI videos. This is a hot trend on Instagram and TikTok where people are making faceless videos using treehouse. You can create these videos in an app, and you can start by either typing a prompt or uploading an image. And then the app will generate a video with that image in the style of a talking head. If you love coloring books, you can now create your own coloring book using AI. All you need to do is think of a good niche, create some unique designs, and then use an application to help you turn those designs into high-quality printables. Once you've created your card set, you can bundle them together and sell them as a kit. And all you have to do is follow the step-by-step instructions that I gave you in this video. So if you're ready to make some money, go ahead and click on that like button and start making some money. There are plenty of applications that allow you to do this. For example, if someone were to search for a trip to Paris, France, the AI would generate an itinerary for them based on their interests. And if they were to book a trip through the link on your website, you could earn commissions on the booking. My favorite one is this one because it has so many customization settings. First, choose between single or multi-page and then upload your own image or use one from their database. Then customize the details, add some color, choose the size of the coloring book, and then generate your coloring book. And just like that, you have your very own coloring book that you can sell online. You can then take these videos and sell them to businesses as a way to promote their products or services. On Fiverr, you can charge anywhere from $5 to $20 per video. And if you're able to create 10 videos in a day, that's $100, which is a pretty good return considering how long it takes to make one of these videos. No. 2 background papers. If you're able to create high-quality images using AI, you can sell them as printable background papers for around $2,900 per month. Here's how it works. You simply take a piece of paper, place it on top of your scanner. Open up an application and select the document option and then scan the blank piece of paper. Once you've done that, you can go into the AI text-to-image generator and type a prompt for something really crazy and detailed like this one. Once you have your image generated, save it as a PNG file. Import it into Photoshop and then make sure that the background is selected. Then go into the Edit menu and select Create Clipping Mask. And now we're done. Save the file as a PDF print and you're good to go. Head over to Creative Market and you can sell your background papers for around $6 each. And if you sell just under 500 of them a month, that's around $2,900. 3 AI-generated coloring books. Number 4. Printable card sets. With the right AI tools, you can create printable card sets in seconds. Number 5. Travel itineraries. If you're good at planning trips, you can use AI to help you create itineraries that you can sell to people going on trips. So, as you can see, these are 4 different products that you can start selling today to make $500 per day.